Bonjour mes amis. Today we are going to learn les nationalités. This means nationalities. So here they had given a box. In this box there are some columns. First column is country. This is in English. Then in French, le pays. Le pays means country. Then there is a two box, pink and blue one. Blue is masculine, masculine. Pink one is femina, feminine. And this is nationalities. Okay. And the last box is nationalities in English. So let's start. France. La France. Français. Française. French. England. L'Angleterre. Anglais. Anglaise. English. Portugal. Le Portugal. Portugais. Portuguese. Portuguese. Germany. L'Allemagne. Allemand. Allemande. German. Japan. Le Japon. Japonais. Japonaise. Japanese. China. La Chine. Chinois. Chinoise. Chinese. United States. Les États-Unis. American. 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 Spain. L'Espagne. Espagnol. Espagnol. Spanish. Italy. L'Italie. Italien. Italian. Italian. India. L'Inde. Indien. Indian. Indian. Algeria. Algérie. Algeria. Algerian. Algerian. Saudi Arabia. L'Arabie Saoudite. Saudien. Saudian. Saudi Arabian. Pakistan. Le Pakistan. Pakistanais. Pakistanaise. Pakistani. So we had done the box. We had read the box now of nationalities. There is a note given under that. So let's read that as well. So there is a note given at the end. So let's read the note now. The plural of nationalities are formed by adding an S to the singular masculine or feminine form. Masculine or feminine form. Okay. So if you want to make these nationalities in plural form, you can add one S at the end and it will become plural, whether it is masculine or it is feminine. But if there is already one S at the end in a singular form, so there is no need to put one more S at the end to change it into plural. It will remain same in singular and in plural. For example, France. La France. Français. Now the masculine français ends with S. So if you want to make it in a plural, so please don't add one more S because already that word ends with an S. So let's start with exercise 1. Exercise 1. Complétez celle ou l'exemple donné. Complete as given in the example. Here, this exercise is on nationalities. So let's start with the example first. Elle est française. Il est français. Now, she is French, he is French. The first one, they had given the answer as well. So let's read the first one now. Elle est japonaise. She is Japanese. Il est japonais. He is Japanese. So the second one, there is a blank given. We have to fill that. First of all, we'll read the masculine form of this. Il est chinois. He is Chinese. So here we have to give the feminine form of Chinese. Elle est chinoise. She is Chinese. Okay. The third one. So they had given the masculine form. Il est indien. We have to give the feminine one. Elle est indienne. She is Indian. Okay. The fourth one. Here they had given the feminine form of Italian. Okay. Elle est italienne. So we have to give the masculine form. Il est italien. He is Italian. So the fifth one now. Here again, feminine form, we have to fill that. And masculine form is given. So let's read the masculine form first. Il est portugais. He is Portuguese. So let's write the feminine for this now. Elle est portugaise. She is Portuguese. Okay. So the sixth one now. Elle est suisse. She is Swiss. Now we have to give the feminine. The feminine form is given. We have to give the masculine now. Il est suisse. Okay. He is Swiss. The next one now. Il est belge. Belgian. Il est belge. He is Belgian. So we have to give the feminine for this now. Elle est belge. Okay. She is Belgian. The eighth one now. Il est espagnol. So here they have given that he is Spanish. So we have to give the feminine form. Elle est espagnole. She is Spanish. The ninth one. They had given the masculine form for French. He is French. Il est français. So we have to give the feminine one. Elle est française. She is French. The 10th one now. Elle est anglaise. She is English. So we have to give the masculine form for this. Il est anglais. He is English. So we had done the nationalities. Merci beaucoup. Thanks a lot.